3 decades of success in Indonesia. Brands and people are the two vital elements in the world of Beiersdorf. In Indonesia, Hansaplast is a clear market leader, while Nivea, the #1 skincare brand in the world, is another bestseller. Beiersdorf is all about building strong and successful brands and all about fulfilling consumers' expectation and needs. These principles have translated into a story of 3 decades of successful growth and expansion in Indonesia.
Beiersdorf is all about building our trusted, strong and successful brands Nivea and Hansaplast. Exciting consumers with products they dream of, always of reliable and outstanding quality. These principles have translated into a story of 3 decades of growth in Indonesia. Starting from a small base of 6 products 3 decades ago, today more than 100 products enrich our consumers' lives. Consumers find our brands wherever they shop, whether it's Rombong or a hypermarket, and from Sabang to Merauke.
Matahari dapat merusak kulitmu. Nivea Whitening Body Lotion dengan White Bioactive dan Berry Extract bantu cerahkan kulit. UVA UVB filter mencegah kulit kembali gelap. Nivea Whitening Body Lotion.
Beiersdorf investment in Indonesia has brought a positive impact on the local economy.
Efek multiplier PT BDF Indonesia sangat terasa. Pabrik diperluas, jumlah karyawan meningkat berlipat ganda, perusahaan lokal bisa menyediakan bahan baku barang dan jasa.
The fact that Nivea and Hansaplast contain 70 to 80% of local content is encouraging the growth of local companies in various sectors, such as transportation, packaging, chemicals, pharmaceuticals. PT Pabrik Tekstil Kasri has been a beneficiary of Beiersdorf's growth.
Kerjasama dengan PT BDF telah membawa kesuksesan bagi PT Pabrik Tekstil Kasri. Perusahaan kami ikut berkembang selama 20 tahun ini seiring dengan perkembangan Beiersdorf Indonesia.
Beiersdorf Indonesia Corporate Social Responsibility has always benefited communities in need in the wider national scheme. Beiersdorf contributed housing and school buildings to help people affected by Aceh tsunami and the Klaten earthquake. And its creative Hansaplast Peduli program has benefited children in schools. From a small Hamburg pharmacy in 1880 to a global player, Beiersdorf presents more than 125 years of innovative skincare. In Indonesia, the Nivea and Hansaplast brands grew from Singosari, Malang over 3 decades ago. The foundations of Beiersdorf Indonesia began with just 10 employees in Malang and 9 in Jakarta, selling 6 kinds of products, supported by 2 distributors in Java and Medan, Sumatra. Johannes Wartono remembers the 1980 starts of Beiersdorf. He started work as an operator 30 years ago, and now he has this to say about Beiersdorf.
Saya bekerja di Beiersdorf sudah 30 tahun. Yang saya rasakan kesejahteraan karyawan sangat diperhatikan. Suasana di Beiersdorf meskipun ini perusahaan asing sangat kekeluargaan. Sangat mendorong semangat kerja saya. Saya bangga ikut membesarkan Beiersdorf di Singosari.
The second decade of Beiersdorf Indonesia was a time of fast expansion. It was also a time of challenge. Beiersdorf Indonesia met the challenge of 1997 economic and financial crisis in Asia, including Indonesia, and came out a winner, stronger, and ready to prepare for the next decade. The third decade is about extending the boundaries. In marketing, A new range of products was driven by the new male grooming category by launching Nivea for Men. On the production side, the installation and activation of high-tech processes drove production to higher levels of quality and speed. Deep national distribution meant extending our distribution capacity from Java, Sumatra, Bali to other parts of Nusantara, the far-flung islands of Indonesia, from Sabang to Merauke. Since 2000, Beiersdorf Indonesia's products are accepted not only in the domestic Indonesian market, but also on the international market, exporting to 4 continents: Asia, Africa, the Middle East, and Europe. Passion for winning strategy describes the commitment to Indonesia and the clear ambition to win in the market, the basis for extending the boundaries. Beiersdorf passion for winning underpins the commitment in Indonesia to grow the 2 vital elements in the world of Beiersdorf: brands and people.
We care for skin, we care for people, we care for Indonesia.
Onward to win!